Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to turn on comments during a TikTok live. If your viewers can comment during your live stream or you accidentally turn comments off, here's how you can enable them again. First, open the TikTok app on your phone and sign in to your account. Next, tap the plus button at the top of the screen, select the live option. Before starting your live stream, review your live settings to make sure comments are allowed. If you're already live, tap the settings or more option during the broadcast. Look for the comments or comment settings option. If comments are turned off, simply tap the toggle to turn them back on. Once enabled, your viewers will be able to send comments and interact with you in real time during the live stream. If you still don't see your comments, check whether you've enabled any comment filters or moderation settings that may be hiding viewer messages. You should also make sure you're using the latest version of the TikTok app, as some live features may vary depending on your app version and region. And that's it. That's how you can turn on comments on TikTok Live. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.